Alright, it's time to play with our LWC skills. Let's build this project. Build a bear tracking app with LWC. Alright, let's go and do this together. So first, create a Hello World Lightning Web component. So we are going to create this bear tracking app in our Trailhead playground. So we've done this, so I'm going to use my previous Trailhead playground, which is the LWC here. So I'm going to use this playground. I'm not going to create a new one. You can use the same one or create a new one. It's up to you. But remember to set your password once you create a new one. From here, get your login credentials, and you can reset your password, and you can do so on your own. We've done this before, so I'm going to skip this part. So I'm going to skip all the way to set up the Ursus Park app. So let's open my terminal app here. So I'm going to let's split this a bit like that, so we can switch back and forth. All right, so I'm gonna do my git clone here. I'm on sfdx, and let's make a new one, Ursus Park. Okay, and I'm gonna go there. So I'm there. I'm gonna copy the git command there. Okay, and hit enter. There we go. Now if I check the inside, we have built apps with LWC there. All right, so next let's go inside the directory build app with LWC, and then we want to auth to our playground with the bear tracking app. Boom. It's gonna pop up on my other window. I'm gonna log in with a different username. So this is my login. I'm gonna copy my username from there and log in. That's it. So we are now authorized, successfully authorized. See, I'm going to close this guy and flip back here. Next, deploy the app source code to the org. So I'm going to copy this. We're going to deploy the source code from here, which is this all of this. Okay, I'm going to clear this out so you can see this is the content. We're going to deploy that. Boom. Taking a few seconds. Deploying with SOAP API. Almost done. 46, 47, 48 components. Boom. We're done. Alright. Next, assign the Ursus Park user permission set to the current user. Let's follow along. I'm going to clear this out so it's not so crowded there. Permission set. Assign that. Done. Next, import the sample data. I'm going to copy that. Import the sample data. Boom. Okay, sample data imported. And let's open this up. Well, we can just open the browser. So on my other monitor here, I'm going to drag it up here. There we have it. We have, let's dock it there. And app launcher, and let's open Ursus Park. There we have it. Woo, nice, right? Okay, let's cut here. I'll continue to the next video creating the hello world here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bada bing, bada Boom! Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.